I'm kind of right at the edge of our driveway, and down here we have some thyme. It's woolly thyme. It does have growth, but there's a bunch of dead stuff here from last year that I need to remove. So you can see the thyme is growing, and it actually smells really good. It's like lemony, but it's very sparse this year, and it's probably my fault. But and it's weird too. It's like barely hanging on for dear life under here, but it's still alive. So anyway, I need to get rid of all this hairy stuff. It seems to die out like this every year in the winter. It's just sticks or whatever this is, and then it comes back, but it definitely needed to be rejuvenated. There. I think that's going to be good enough for now. Hopefully it fills in. Near the woolly thyme, I have lemon thyme. This is the only a bunch of leaves really that came back so far. This I think is from the nodding allium that I have right there. And this, I don't know what this is. I think it's a weed. But I'm going to cut all of this off. Maybe it breaks. Nope, won't break off. But anyway, it smells so good too. I love thyme. I can smell it as I'm cutting it. Very woody. I'm hoping this will rejuvenate it and come back like lavender comes back. So it's like this is the only branch that's still alive. Or this is new growth. But like this is dead. It's so sparse. But there's no point in keeping this branch here. Taking it down. I pulled up the allium that was kind of growing from it just to give it some breathing room, I might replant this somewhere. Well, there's not much left, but what's left is alive. So, I think it looks good. I don't know if you've seen any of my other videos, but all this grass is not grass, it's allium, just like this. And it's all over the place, but it's, I don't know, pretty, I think. So it might be a big mistake that I'm letting it take over, but it might not be. We're just gonna try it out. But I am gonna weed the weeds, like these. I think this is a type of Veronica. I don't see any flowers on it yet. Very easy to pull up, and the flowers are actually quite cute. think I'm done for the day. Everything looks nice and buttoned up, I guess, kind of. No, not really. I have a lot of mulching to do, but it's filled in, that's for sure, and it's so beautiful, and it makes me so, so happy when everything blooms. And soon it's all going to be overgrown. There's going to be a lot of work to do, but it's so worth it.